We had to wait like the artist had such a long queue. We had to wait like 8 months. So painful. Oh, it's here now, and we're good. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Welcome to the Okay. I think It's so embarrassing. Hang on, I'm just gonna slide over here for a bit. Alright, I'm back. Hello, everyone! One of my eyes droops a little. And it's really obvious with this tracking. Ah! Super-chan, arigatou! Oh no! Oh no! So cute, thank you! Very poggers. Very poggers. Extremely poggers. You could say the poggiest. That's cringe. If I'm just sitting at home playing gacha games and wasting money. But yeah! Yes, Yuuka needs to hydrate now. Granny needs her water. Oh, hold on, I've been reverbing this whole time. Me dumb. But most of you guys seem to like it if I stream a bit earlier. So I'm pushing my streams to 2 hours earlier-ish. So for me that would be 8 o'clock, so I have to like wake up like a real functioning human being nowadays. Thank you, Master Teddy, for the $2. It was the $5 one.